When I was making a video for Ion on how to make a virtual machine, I installed Endeavors, and when I went and updated, I got this message. It deleted the keys for Arch Linux, but it didn't install new ones. So this is the command to solve this. The first part is just updating the keyrings, and the other one is to automatically update your system. Apparently this happens only when you don't upgrade your Arch for a longer time, and I don't know why this command couldn't be executed right after the keys are deleted, but that's Arch. This issue shouldn't happen if you regularly update your Arch, because there is another command that is regularly run by systemd, so you hopefully will never have to deal with this, but just in case you do, here is the solution. And that's all.